Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Members and ask for suggestion of who should be the candidate. Active members must be prepared to give us names. We will select the candidate from that name. Please remember, you must recommend candidates based on loyalty. Number one is loyalty. Loyalty to the party. Number two is integrity. Number three is acceptability to the worker. Number four is winnability in the election. Winnability is important, but it is not the only criteria. Loyalty is the number one criteria. Integrity is number two. Acceptability to the workers and winnability among the electorate. I hope between now and then you will put your heads together, discuss with each other, meet each other, and prepare 1, 2 names for candidates who can win the constituency. Last time we won Thirum, this time also we will win Thirum constituency. We will win Thirum constituency. Remember one thing, whoever wins Goa wins Delhi. In 2007, we won Goa. Congress government was formed under Chidambaram Kamath. 2007, we won Goa. 2009, we won the Delhi election. Parliament election. 2012, we lost Goa. 2014, we lost Delhi. 2017, well, we lost Goa because our people defected. 2019, we lost Delhi. But this time, 2022, we will win Delhi, we will win Goa, and 2024, we forgive their way, because God has asked us to forgive even our enemies, but we will never forget what He did. We will never forget what He did. Defectors have no place in the Congress party. We will not reward, we will not acknowledge or reward any defector who defected from the Congress party to another party. Even if they want to come back, we will not reward them, we will not take them, we will not reward them. That chapter is a closed chapter. It's a sad chapter, it's a shameful chapter, and I am deeply sorry that happened in Thirum constituency. Now many of you spoke about issues. According to me, the number one issue is unemployment. Every family has one child, boy or girl, son or daughter, who has graduated and is unemployed. The BJP government cannot create jobs. They don't know how to create jobs. They know only how to destroy jobs. From demonetization onwards, every step they have taken has destroyed jobs. Thousands and thousands of micro, small and medium industries, MSMEs, have been closed down. No new jobs are created. Contrast to the period 2004 to 2014, when Congress was in power and then new jobs were created. Thousands and thousands of jobs were created because the Congress knows how to create jobs. I ask you, go back and ask anybody who graduated between 2004 and 2014. How many of them are without jobs today? Maybe a few. The bulk of the people who graduated between 2004 and 2014 got jobs. How many who graduated after 2014 have got jobs? How many after demonetization has got jobs? How many after the economic recession have got jobs? People have not got jobs. People have lost jobs. Those who held jobs have lost their jobs. The second big issue is many of you said price cuts. A lady spoke here. I sympathize with her. How can you run your home if you must pay 1,000 rupees per cylinder? What is the price of the cylinder today? Along with delivery charges, it comes to 1,000 rupees. Congress was able to give you a cylinder for 450 rupees. Petrol prices today are 105 rupees a litre. Diesel prices are 95 rupees a litre. When we were in office, we gave petrol for 65 rupees a litre and diesel for 55 rupees a litre. But the price has gone up to 105 rupees. Why? Because the Modi government is crushing you, squeezing every drop of the juice in you, and is collecting 3.5 lakh crore rupees in taxes only on petrol and diesel. You won TV last time, you can win TV this time. Just be united, confident, brave, aggressive, give us a good candidate. We will take the candidate stand here and we can win TV. Win TV, win Goa, and 2 years later we will win Delhi. Thank you.